Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see 10 lines essay on National Mathematics Day. 1. National Mathematics Day is celebrated every year on 22 December in India. 2. It marks the birth anniversary of the famous Indian mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan. 3. Ramanujan made remarkable contributions to mathematics, especially in the field of number theory. 4. The day is celebrated to highlight the importance of mathematics in our lives. 5. Schools and colleges organize events like maths workshops, exhibitions, etc. 6. Ramanujan's life inspires us to work hard and love learning. 7. Mathematics helps us in solving real life problems and improves our logical thinking. 8. National Mathematics Day reminds us of the beauty and power of mathematics. 9. It encourages students to develop an interest in mathematics. 10. Let's all enjoy learning math and solve problems with a positive attitude. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.